How to open engineering mode on your Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open phone application and go to the keypad option. Then type *899#. After you type this code and click on the call, you will see such interface. So this is basically the engineering mode for Android devices. Once you go, simply check the key status and you can also check status like fingerprints, your ID, communication debugging and all the settings related to your Android device. So that's it. Just like that you can turn on the engineering mode on your phone. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.